Welcome to OneCall Travels, proudly serving the Ummah with trust, sincerity, and care for over 20 years. Honored to guide pilgrims on Hajj and Umrah with heartfelt dedication, treating every guest like family. In this video, we'll guide you step by step how to select package on Nusuk Hajj Portal, making it simple and easy, inshallah. Your journey to the house of Allah is a sacred trust. At OneCall Travels, we see our service to you as part of our service to Allah. May Allah accept your intention and bless your journey. Ameen. Let's go to the computer and start the process. On the dashboard, click on the Packages tab on the top of the screen. Here, you can filter packages to your requirement. On the package banner, you will see the room configuration available for this package. Below this, you will have the package overview, hotels information for the duration of your stay and the type of MENA accommodation included, and the transportation details. Here, all services related to your package are listed. On this section, you will see the refund policy for the package. Please read it carefully. Now, click on Configure Package. On this section, you will enter the number of people in your profile on the room configuration available for your package. Once completed, click Next. Here you can add additional service if available and then click Next. In this section, you will choose your flights. It is recommended to pick the flights associated with the package. Then click Next. Now, go through the summary of your package, checking that all options you chose are correct. On the right-hand column, you will see your final price. You can now click on Save Configuration and top up your e-wallet accordingly, ready for purchase when the system allows. We hope you have found this step-by-step guide to select Nusuk package by OneCall Travels helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. Visit our website, onecalltravels.co.uk, for more guidance and updates. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay informed on the full Hajj process, step by step. May Allah make your journey smooth and accepted. Ameen.